UiFlow2's I2C serial communication protocol is used to connect processors with sensors, supports multi-device communication, and is simple and efficient. In the left function expansion panel, expand hardware. Select the built-in hardware I2C function of the device, and click Confirm to load the module. In the Blockly list under the hardware directory, you can see the loaded I2C Blockly module. Drag the I2C module to the workspace. Initialize the I2C function module, and then you can start development programming. Example 1 demonstrates reading the value of a unit encoder rotary encoder using the I2C function of course 3. Note: to send byte data, you need to create byte data through a function. Example 2 demonstrates scanning the sensor address via the I2C function of course 3.